My name is Jamie, and a few years ago, I decided it would be a good idea to purchase a 125-year-old, somewhat dilapidated Dutch barge found resting on the banks of the River Lee in East London, with the full intention of turning it into a beautiful, off-grid, 2-storey liveaboard home.
Hey Jamie, how are you going to do that?
I hear you ask. Well, we're just going to have to find that out together. Because honestly, I have absolutely no idea. Welcome aboard the biggest boat. Let's just see what happens.
Oh, fuck yeah, that's so good. Oh, I love that.